What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my vlogs. Look at this beautiful, beautiful little pond I found here, right next to Menards and Homer Glen, right on the side of it, on Bell Road. Look at this beautiful pond and beautiful view. It's right next to a farm. You can hear some horses. All right, let's get casting. I'll be on my test strap. See you there. All right, guys, let's cast. Let's get out of here. I gotta fix my chest strap already. Man, there's so much seaweed in here, it's disgusting. Lord have mercy. I can't even tell if I'm getting bites or seaweed. Oh boy. It's gonna be a long day here, fellas. Someone comment down below if they have a good tactic to get seaweed off without touching it. Grossing me out. Disgusting. Maybe I use a different hook. All right. You guys hear that horse? I should cast right here, actually. This looks like a good spot. Let's reel in a little bit. On my next reel, we'll do it. God damn, so much seaweed, it's like ruining my pole. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. Okay, let's stop. Alright guys, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. This pond is so filled with weed, it's not even worth fishing in here. It took me like 30 minutes at a time to keep cleaning my rod every time I was casting. It's just wasting my time. So, I got this pocket knife. The side with the clip is heads. Others is tails. I'm gonna flip it. If it lands on the side with the heads, we're gonna head to the river. If it lands on this side, we're gonna go back to the St. Bernard pond. It's all in a walking distance, which is crazy. But yeah, let's get it. Here we go. Ready? It landed on tails. We're going to St. Bernard. See y'all there. All right, y'all. As y'all can see, I'm back at this beautiful pond. As you can see, it's not as bad as the other one. At least you can get casting in here. Let's see what we can catch. Let's get Got one, fellas! I got one! Yeah! I don't know what it is. CV got him. Wow! Look at this bugle! I don't even know if I'm saying it right. That's a pretty big bugle! Whoa! That's a nice one. I knew this was my pond. Wow. Look at this, guys. There's some pretty big fish in here. I'm shocked. That's a bugle. Wow. And it's prego. Right on. I knew I'd catch something here. What a good move from that pond to this one. Let's get him off the hook. Back in the water. Nice. Relax, relax. Good job, fishy. What a beautiful one, guys. Look at this. I'm gonna put him back. Actually, can I hold him? Yeah! We got him. Alright. Let's put him back in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. That was a bad throw back in. He's good though. He's good. He's showing off. Alright. Solid.